My lady, we must go to Casa Details to repair your bicicleta before Sonic does any further damage.
Come on, guys! Wait for me!
This must be what birds feel like! Look at me! I'm a penguin!
Barnacles! Bee!
Give me a break. I can feed people sandwiches. Watch.
Not what those are for!
Excuse me, boy. I'm going to need 3 more towels.
Check out these fly dance moves!
You had 2 hours to think of a distraction, and that's what he came up with? Well, what are you waiting for?
We're programmed only to obey orders after being threatened.
All right, then. Nobody gets hurt, or somebody's gonna get hurt!